In this quick video, I'm going to show you what I use to turn my lighting setup from this to this. Yo, what is going on, fam? Keezy here from Black Market, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the device I use that comes with this little remote that I got on Amazon for like 80 bucks. That is a nice little rim light, lights up the hair, and adds a little bit of extra drip to your video setup. You can change colors. Got the red, got the purple, got the teal, and it's this guy right here. And again, it's 80 bucks on Amazon, and the quality is so good, which says a lot because I bought a ton of lighting equipment on Amazon, like more than I care to admit. And I can say with confidence that this, as far as the build itself goes, is the nicest feeling piece of equipment I've gotten. Usually you buy something on Amazon, you expect it to be kind of cheap, the quality to be kind of cheap and low. And this probably isn't like, you know, the best light ever by any professional standard, but by Amazon standards and by the you know, just feeling it, looking at it, it's solid, it's heavy, the battery is huge, which tells me hopefully that this thing will last a long time as far as the charge goes. To set this up in my videos, I actually just pull this little thing down, and this is a microphone boom arm that I have wall mounted behind me and up above a little bit, and it just so happens to fit this light pretty perfectly. So I clip the light in there like that, and then you can kind of position it however you want behind to get that little hair rim light action going on, which just adds a lot to the setup. I mean, off, on. Change the color. Maybe I feel like rocking green today. It's a green day, you feel me? So we're gonna do something like that. That's a bit green, so let's go back to the blue. I like the blue. That's really it for the video. I just want to show this light off, what it is. I looked for a lot of like rim light videos on YouTube, and there's so many, but all I really wanted to know is I wanted a device like this. I didn't find any setups like this, so I literally went on Amazon, searched for one of these colored lights. This product came up, and then I searched for a way to mount it. First, I started searching for C-clamps that I could wall mount a C-clamp. Didn't end up finding them. Finally found this wall mountable boom arm, and the little clip in it is just big enough to hold this light. If it was any smaller, it would probably require tape, which would reduce the usability of the setup and all. But hey, this video is running on a lot longer than it needs to. Link for this guy is in the description. That is my affiliate link. If you would like to purchase off my affiliate link, I think I get like $1 or $2 off the sale. So that would be cool. Otherwise, you know, do some shopping and take this as inspiration. I'm out.